Good morning, brilliant people. Just woke up from bed. Unya, murag yug, murag election baka ginatong dagway. By the way, officially today is my first day sa akong vacation. Kasi ako magong school, if mahuman na ang ako ang tanang klase, as well as my summer camp, wala na ko'y dapat i-prove pa sa akong kaugalingon. So, everything is over yesterday. So, karon mga my dear, karon lang ko kamata, unsay oras na, alas 10 na sa buntag, mo pa'y pagmata na ko. So, I'm going now to prepare my hot water. Kaya mag-coffee na ta mga dear. So right after mo take a coffee, akong labahan akong mga sanina, unya, mamlastar ta sa itong mga butang-butang here. That is my plan today. I don't know if I can fulfill that one. Hopefully, and maging productive ang atong adlaw karon. Medyo kikapoy pa ko mga my dear, and then emotional ko yesterday or last night ay to be specific. Ing ana jud ko every time mo end up ang ako ang school year, mahuna-hunaan ako akong mom. So pasensya na gid mo ha. I'm going to repeat my emotion every time. Ana lang. So bye bye for now. Just give you an update later. Bye.